Welcome to Best Pre-Owned RV. If you're looking for an amazing adventure van, look no further. This 2022 Tiffin Cahaba 4-wheel drive will get you where you want to go. This adventure van is equipped with a tire carrier and plenty of room to put a storage box on the back for extra items. And let's not forget about the ladder on the side, which will allow you access to the huge roof rack. This Tiffin has plenty of solar and plenty of battery power, also equipped with an engine generator in those times of low sunlight. This Tiffin has a dedicated black and gray water tank, so there's no cassette toilet to deal with. From here, we can just let the van speak for itself.
To be true.